So to view what I exported in Blender, I'm going to go ahead and start Blender. BL should be enough to bring that up. I delete the cube. We're going to do a new setup so that we don't have to do that every time. But right now we're just going to import the Collada file just to look at our house and see what it looks like in Blender. So I'm going to go to my OneDrive folder. It can be tough to get there the first time, so you always want to bookmark your OneDrive. And go to our 3D modeling project folder and bring in this DAE file. When you first look at it, you can see, it was not grouped, so that's going to be a problem. But what about all the colors and textures? Well, we're viewing it in this viewport shading mode. You can actually go to an even simpler view, which is wireframe, which is very fast. This looks a little better, and then this is the fully rendered view, and that's what we really want to see. So we can look at our house here and we can see that we've got some texturing problems. That's all supposed to be wood in the middle. So we've got that, and it's not grouped together. If you want to be able to see more detail, this is the environmental lighting, the world properties, and you can increase the strength of the light. And that's going to make it even easier for us to see where we might have problems with these windows. So I have a separate video that will show you how to go and fix these things. But they definitely need to be fixed before we continue. So again, we're just using this fully rendered view to look at our house from all angles and make sure everything is the way it's supposed to be, and that we have just a single sketch up here, not a whole bunch of different pieces of the house. If we try to rotate our house, we end up just rotating individual parts of the house, and there's no rhyme or reason necessarily as to what these parts are. So definitely need to fix that. Once again, this is environmental, and this is way more light than we'll really want. But you can see we're casting shadows and reflections and everything very nicely with this program.